Edo Governor Obaseki don hail Edo people for maintaining peace and order during the recent gubernatorial election, no matter the outcome. For the monthly Security Council meeting wey dem hold to check security matter for the state, the governor come tok say dem don set up security plans for Ember month to reduce accidents and other wahala wey dey shele during festive period. E come also add say the Edo State Commissioner of Police, Nemi Edwin Iwo, don assure say dem go take proper measures to bring back peace for Ogbonge wey dey Edo north side of the state. On top the suspension of the state security vigilante network, the governor come tok say the Inspector General of Police just suspend the activities of the state security vigilante network during the election, say now wey the election don finish, the vigilante corps go start their work again according to the law. On top court-related wahala and the arrest wey dey happen, Obaseki come tok say dem not too happy about some people wey dey cause problem for the established revenue collection system for the state, but dem don resolve am and say the law must be respected, say law and order must dey for Edo State and anybody wey no follow the established laws go face the right punishment.
Council expressed thanks to the people of Edo State for an election in which no lives were recorded lost, despite the outcome. Council also looked at other issues related to security in the state, specifically cult-related activities and arrests that have taken place. Council frowned at the issue of some elements going into conflict with the established structures for revenue collection in the state, and that matter has been dealt with, but Council has expressed the view that the law must be respected, law and order must prevail in Edo State, and anyone who goes counter to the established laws and regulations as they are today in the state will be dealt with appropriately. People who are not part of the national security structure cannot take part in elections. The CP did not prohibit the activities of the Vigilante Corps. Now elections are over, they will resume their bids according to law.
Ogbonge persons wait and that for the monthly security meeting na Edo State Commissioner of Police Nemi Edwin Iwo with other security agencies and some top government ogas dem. Make una not forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.